Good day guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, Danny Boy Vibes. If you're new to this channel, do want to subscribe, make sure you like this video and turn on the notification bell to get notified whenever I drop a trending gist like this. Well, today on this video, Portable have come out to react to the seyivibez and Zinoleesky diss. Aside that, he talked about Zinoleesky buying a brand new car and not taking care of his parents. Like, this is very well. Portable don't really join the diss. Don't really join the beef between Zinoleesky and seyivibez. Portable don't join. According to Portable, Zinoleesky made use of his last card to buy the Ferrari he just got, and according to him, as he used the last card buy this Ferrari, last him go trek last na trekking go dey trek for streets. Well, I won't be talking much in this video. Just listen to what Portable have to say.
You buy car, you dey oppress. Ṣé ti tọ́jú ilé? You get car, family dey suffer. Oúnjẹ ayé foreign ní local. Àwẹ̀ ṣé ti tọ́jú ilé? Má wọrí, àwọn ọmọ ẹ̀ka ló ń ṣe àwọn ọmọ lọ. Ẹnu gẹ́lẹ́bù wọ́n ti gbàgbé ilé. You get car, family dey suffer. Àwọn tó bí wọn bẹ́ẹ̀ ní kọ́nà. Ajé wọn sọ́fà ní kọ́ra. Wèrè ó ti gbàgbé ilé. Ó fi last card ra mọ́tò. Kò mọ̀ pé tí Fọlárìn bá fi last card ra mọ́tò, tepo bá tán nínú mọ́tò Fọlárìn, ajé ó máa padà Fọlárìn. Á fẹsẹ̀ rìn. Ó máa fẹsẹ̀ rìn ní because kò Bọ́lájí. Má wọrí, it's Bọ́láyanká àti Bọ́láyan.